Hello, flute students. It's Mr. Cronin, and I am here to give you a refresher on how to create your first four sounds on flute. So let's get started. Remind yourself of the perfect flute embouchure. We're going to have our bottom lip relaxed and flat against the lip plate of our flute. Flute always pointing to our right, okay? So let's go ahead and tuck the lip plate right up under our bottom lip. And what we want is the edge of the aperture hole to touch the edge of our lip flesh. From there, you can adjust up or down by rolling the flute on your lip, okay? But this gives us a really good starting point, okay? If you're not getting perfect sound there, be sure that you experiment with how high or how low on your lip the lip plate should be, and be sure to keep your aperture hole about half covered, maybe a third covered with your bottom lip. Okay, so let's go ahead and experiment with our low closed sound. I'm blowing down cool air as though I was cooling off a spoonful of hot soup. Let's go ahead and play for 4 counts, okay? Breathe deeply from your stomach. Ready, set, breathe. Very gentle, steady air. Ready? Very good. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up to play our open low sound. Ready? Be sure the flute is parallel with your lips. Very good. You may have to move the flute a little left or right to find where the opening of your lips aperture is. Mine happens to be ever so slightly to the left of the center of my lips. So I always put the head joint just ever so slightly to the left side of my lips. Okay, now let's go for the high sounds. The low ones are super easy. The high ones are a little harder. You're going to see me start to use some muscle at the corner of my lips to firm my lips up right at the corners. Okay, so practice making that face into your mirrors, all right? There it is. Okay, we're going to start with closed high sound, much faster air, small aperture still, and firmer lips to give that air more support. Here we go. We're going to breathe deeply. Ready, closed, high. Very good. I'm aiming my air a little more directly across the flute for this. Awesome. That worked out really well. Okay. Now I'm going to continue aiming my air more up and across the flute to go for open, high sound. Nice firm corners for this so that we can direct that air straight. Okay, ready? Breathe deeply. Much more challenging skill. And when the flute was howling on me like that, you heard what I did is I subtly just adjusted up and down to get the strike wall or the back portion of that aperture wall right into the middle of my airstream. And that's really the goal with flute sound is we've got to learn how to aim our air directly at that strike wall. Okay? So have fun working on your low closed, low open, high closed, and high open sound.